In this video, we're going to cover events that you create in GA4 based on what you already have from enhanced measurement. Let's start with the simplest one. I don't know if you noticed, but if you open the enhanced measurement here in the data stream section, you'll notice that it offers page view scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, video engagement, file downloads, and form interactions. By default, form interactions are turned off, so I advise you to turn it on unless you have a specific case for not doing that. But I'm gonna focus on outbound clicks to begin with, and the problem with them is that the name of the event that's being tracked in GA4 is click. It's not outbound click. So when you start analyzing sometime after you turn these things on, you might get confused by the event being called click. So if we go to Data-Driven New website, there is an external link here, and if I click on it, the debugger will register the click event, but it's also going to register outbound link click because this is the automatically tracked event, but we also registered an event with the same name in GTM to basically pick up all the clicks around the website. So we want to have this so-called child event that's actually coming from this particular, but it also needs some matching conditions. So if the event name is called click, but then if link URL does not contain data-driven U, we want GA4 to log an additional event, and it's called outbound link click. The magic of GA4 is using what you already have to create new events that basically can open new horizons for your analyzing. Let me show you an example. On Data-Driven U, there are quite a few downloads that you can pick up. So we wanted to understand what's happening with the file downloads, and we created an exploration for them. Downloads by extension type. So for the sake of this demo, I'm gonna say that Excel sheet downloads are way more valuable than PDF, and we want to log an event whenever an Excel sheet file is downloaded. We need to go to event section of the admin panel and then click on create event, and I'm going to show you the one that I already created. So it's called XLS downloaded. It relies on this set of conditions. If the event name equals file download, this is enhanced measurement in GA4, and file extension, which is automatically collected parameter for file downloads, when it equals XLSX, then it should log XLS downloaded event. Now, here is the Google official doc for automatically collected events, and also for the parameters that come with all the events, regardless of they are the ones that are automatically collected or the enhanced measurement ones. So take a look at here. For click, these are the parameters that we have, and then for file download, here is file extension, file name, link classes, etc. So you could rely on any of these parameters that are automatically collected, and then say if link text is called free, for example, it would mean that it's a free download, so you want to log a particular event whenever a free download happens. Or you could say if it does not contain free, you would be able to understand that it's actually a paid download. Now, I'm going to show you somewhat more complex setup. Take a look at this exploration. We are looking at videos, because we have a lot of videos just like this on the website, and we created a small funnel that consists of video start, then video progress, and then video not complete event. Let me show you how is that set up. Video start, okay, that's pretty obvious. Progress as well, but not complete says that we want event name that does not contain video complete and that it's indirectly following the video progress event. And we also put a time period of 15 minutes of that happening, which means that whenever video progress happened, a user did not have video complete event in the following 15 minutes. So let's say that I wanted to track these people that drop from video progress to the video not complete. There are several ways to do it, and if I have a funnel like this, I could easily right-click on my mouse and say create segment from these users, and then I'd say I want to build an audience, and I also want to create a trigger so GA4 logs the following event when a user becomes a member of this audience. So we can call them video viewers who didn't complete. And we could save this event. I'm not going to do it now because we already did it. But number one, you would be creating a very handy audience. And if you can see them here, video start in progress but now complete. I created it several days ago. But then also we would be seeing that event logged whenever this scenario is fulfilled. So I'll be able to basically slice and dice this event in an exploration or in regular reporting interface. You can do the similar thing with form tracking, because form tracking does give you some interesting insights when we talk about drop-offs. Just form interactions are not turned on by default in the enhanced measurement, so you need to turn them on here in data streams. And also click here and then open this little wrench icon, and you'll be able to turn this on here. I hope that this was somewhat helpful in understanding how do you create additional events from what you already have in Google Analytics 4. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.